This will be a speed test between the OnePlus 6 versus the LG G7 ThinQ. Now both have the Snapdragon 845, OnePlus 6 has 6 gigs of RAM, G7 has 4. Both are on Oreo. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And we are in! There's nothing in the background on both. So let's get started by tapping the messaging app. Camera. There you go. Calculator on both. Clock. Run the stopwatch and leave it on that page. Play Store, about the same. Click on this one. Leave it on that page. eBay. There you go. Click on this pillow. Close it out. Baseball app. About the same. NBA app. About the same again. Chrome browsers on both. Let's go to Amazon real quick. And OnePlus 6 much faster on this one. And the G7 is lagging on this a little bit. Probably the connection. There you go. Scrolling on this, nice and butter on both. Full sight of Amazon. And about the same on both. Pinch to zoom. Smooth on both devices. Close it out. Super Mario Run. Loading on both. And ooh, tap to begin. A little bit faster on the OnePlus 6. As you can see. Close it out. Subway Surf. Subway Surfers Venice Beach. Both are loading right now. And ooh, call this one a tie. Tap to play. Close it. Temple Run 2. Lost Jungle on this one. Both are loading. Oh! Not sure which one is ahead. We'll find out right now. And OnePlus 6, a little bit ahead. Not sure what this is. Don't ask again. Tap to play. Close it. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in. G7 is ahead. Will the OnePlus 6 catch up? Oh! I'm gonna call this one a tie. So you can see, CSR Racing 2. Hearing noise from both at the same time. And I'm gonna call this one a tie again. So you can see, neck and neck. We do have the gram on both phones. There we go. And Snapchat, give that to the OnePlus 6. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background as you can see. Now the OnePlus 6 has 6 gigs of RAM. G7 only has 4. So let's see how they do in the RAM management. Instagram, still in RAM. CSR, paused and ready to resume on both. Angry Birds 2. Ready to play. Temple Run 2, ready to resume on both. Subway Surf, same thing, ready to go. Mario Run, right where we left it off. Browsing on both, still on Amazon. NBA app, same place. Baseball, same place. eBay, same place. Play Store, again, still in RAM. Clock on both, still running the stopwatch. The calculator, still there, nice and fast. Camera, there you go. And the messaging app, boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup between these two notched phones. Do you like LG phones? like this G7, the V30, the LG G6 from last year. They come with a high quality DAC and with a pretty cool wide angle lens camera. Or are you about bang for buck and are on team OnePlus, rocking the OnePlus 6, OnePlus 5T, OnePlus 5, or even the OnePlus 3T from a couple of years ago. These phones rocking some pretty good specs for essentially half the price of some of these other phones. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.